Lunch services over here is pretty good. It keeps me light-minded as I'm from Kolkata and I'm living here in flat. So because of the lunch services, I don't have to take the stress of what I'll be eating in the lunch time or anything. On Fridays, I have tried many different types of food. Last Friday only we got dal bati churma. Yes, and sometimes we get pav bhaji. And when we get pav bhaji, there is a whole mess in the canteen. We don't even get the seat. It's been around 4 months over here. So since day one, I'm getting the lunch here, and I don't have any complaints about it. Every day the lunch is very tasty. I am non-Gujarati, so the main fear in my mind was that every food is going to be very sweet and all. But when I started having lunch over here, there are few items that are sweet, but mostly all the items are non-sweet and pretty spicy. Keeps my taste bud happy.
Hi, I'm Abbas Mathur. I've been at Mind Inventory for almost 2 months now, and it's been going great. And one of the many factors and the reasons that I have been liking my time over here so far is the lunch facility over here. I knew about this facility of Mind Inventory before I joined here. Variety of food options available all throughout the week for us, which are provided to us prior on the weekend, and we can actually go about on the dashboard and select on the days when we want to have that meal or not to have that meal. Even though I live in a rented apartment, I don't live in a PG, I still choose to have lunch over here in the office because the food quality is really good. The taste is really nice. It's really hot and fresh. So you really feel like you're having a home cooked meal.
मैं ज्वाइन हुई 5 months before, so तब से मैं यहाँ पे लंच ले रही हूँ. Frankly speaking, as I'm living away from my home in a PG, so providing lunch is a greater beneficial thing for me. Like it is relieving the stress of what to cook and like saves lots of my time. Overall service अच्छी है, like something everything is sorted. So overall menu of the week is like plain, like sorted है कि सैलड होता है, छाछ होता है, like कभी स्प्राउट्स होता है, ऐसा है, like सब कुछ मिक्स होता है. और फ्राइडे को भी लाइक कुछ स्पेशल होता है कि लाइक पूरे वीक सब फ्राइडे की वेट करते कि आज क्या है. अभी विंटर चल रहा था तो उन्होंने तुवे ठूठा, रोटलो और ऊंधी वो सब भी रखा था, तो वो सब बैलेंस करके रखा है.
At last, I would like to thank Mehul sir as well as the management. Thank you.
I would really like to thank the admin team.
So lastly, I would like to say thank you to Mehul sir and the overall management. Thank you.